Understanding the phrase, shadow warrior. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase in the English language, shadow warrior. This phrase is rich in meaning and has various applications in English. So, let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. The term, shadow warrior, is composed of two words, shadow and warrior. A shadow is a dark area or shape produced by a body coming between rays of light and a surface. A warrior is a person who is experienced in fighting, especially in the ancient or medieval period. Literally, a shadow warrior could mean a warrior in the shadows, but this phrase is often used metaphorically. In a metaphorical sense, a shadow warrior refers to someone who works or fights from the shadows. This could mean a person who operates in secret or tackles challenges discreetly. In literature and movies, a shadow warrior is often a character who uses stealth and surprise as their main weapons. They are skilled, mysterious, and have a strategic approach to their battles. In modern contexts, shadow warrior can be used in various ways. For instance, in a corporate setting, a shadow warrior could be someone who works behind the scenes to ensure success. In sports, it might refer to a player who is not in the limelight but is crucial to the team's performance. Example, in our project team, Jenna is the shadow warrior. She silently solves problems and ensures everything runs smoothly. Using shadow warrior in conversations can add a layer of depth and intrigue. It's perfect for describing someone's understated strength or silent contribution. When using this phrase, ensure that the context is clear, as it carries connotations of stealth, skill, and mystery. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, shadow warrior, and how you can use it effectively in English. Remember, language is not just about words, but the stories and meanings they carry. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.